If you are over 60, this message could change the way you move, walk, and age forever. Because aging is not the enemy, weakness is. Every senior who can still stand, move, or take one step has the power to rebuild strength, balance, and confidence. You don't need a gym, fancy machines, or a trainer. You only need 3 simple leg exercises that can make you feel 10 years younger. This is not theory. It's proven science, practiced by elders who refuse to slow down. Today, on the Seniors Hub, we reveal the 3 leg exercises every senior over 60 should start doing right now to stay strong, balanced, and independent for life. There comes a moment in everyone's life when walking up the stairs feels heavier, when standing from a chair takes longer, and when your legs simply don't respond like they used to. This isn't just getting old. It's called sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength that happens with age. Studies show that after 60, you can lose up to 8% of your muscle mass every decade. But here's the good news. You can reverse it. Your body, no matter your age, still holds the power to rebuild strength. Research shows that with consistent movement, seniors can increase lower body strength by up to 70% in just 8 weeks, boost blood flow, and cut fall risk by more than half. Imagine waking up in the morning, standing tall without wobble, walking to your garden without holding on to anything, or dancing at your grandchild's wedding without fear of losing your balance. That's not a dream. It's your potential. The body can change at any age, and it all begins with 3 movements that take less than 10 minutes a day. The first exercise is the chair squat, the foundation of everyday strength. Think about how many times you stand from a chair, a bed, or the toilet each day. That simple movement, sitting and rising, is one of the most powerful tests of your independence. The chair squat strengthens your thighs, hips, and glutes, the muscles that carry your entire body. Stand in front of a sturdy chair with your feet shoulder-width apart. Slowly lower yourself until your hips just touch the chair, then press back up, squeezing your thighs and glutes as you rise. Breathe in as you go down, breathe out as you push up. Do this 10 to 15 times. If you can't go too low, start small. Even half squats build progress. As weeks pass, you'll notice your legs getting firmer, your back straighter, and your confidence rising. Harvard researchers call it the ultimate functional movement for seniors. It doesn't just build muscle, it restores freedom. The second exercise is the heel raise, often called the heart pump of the legs. Your calves are more than just muscle. They act as natural pumps that send blood back to your heart and stabilize your ankles. Weak calves cause unsteadiness and falls, but rebuilding them is simple. Stand behind a chair or countertop for balance. Slowly rise up onto your toes, hold for 1 or 2 seconds, then gently lower your heels back to the ground. That's 1 repetition. Do 15 to 20. As you get stronger, try to balance for longer at the top. Feel the tightness in your calves. That's the signal your muscles are waking up again. A study from the University of Copenhagen found that seniors who did heel raises daily improved blood flow, reduced swelling, and increased walking speed. This movement also helps prevent nighttime cramps and restless legs, 2 common issues that steal senior sleep. If you're ready for more challenge, lift 1 leg at a time. This trains your balance and coordination, helping you stay steady even on uneven ground. The third exercise is the side leg raise, the secret to balance and stability. It strengthens the small but crucial muscles on the outer side of your hips, the ones that keep you from falling when you turn, walk, or climb stairs. Hold onto a wall or chair for support. Stand tall, lift 1 leg out to the side, keep your toes forward, hold for 2 seconds, and slowly lower it back down. Switch legs and repeat 10 to 15 times per side. Keep your posture straight and your core slightly engaged. In a Japanese longevity study, seniors who performed side leg raises daily had a 50% lower risk of hip fractures. Why? Because they built strength in the small, stabilizing muscles that act as your body's hidden armor. Within weeks, you'll start to feel lighter when you walk, steadier on your feet, and more confident when you move. These 3 simple moves, chair squats, heel raises, and side leg raises, work together to activate every major muscle group in your legs. They boost circulation, improve bone density, and reignite your body's natural vitality. Remember this truth. Muscles don't age. They only respond to movement. The moment you start, your body begins to rebuild. Within days, you'll feel energy returning. Within weeks, your steps will be firmer. And within months, you'll wonder why you ever stopped moving. Let me share a story that proves this works. Raymond, a 72-year-old man, once feared climbing his own porch stairs. His knees trembled and his legs felt weak. His doctor told him it was just old age. But Raymond refused to surrender. He discovered the Seniors Hub and started these 3 exercises daily. At first, he could barely do 5 squats, but he stayed consistent. 3 weeks later, he could do 10. 3 months later, he was walking half a mile every morning. 6 months later, he joined a local senior hiking group. Today, at 75, he proudly says, "I'm stronger now than I was at 60." Raymond's story is a living example that it's never too late to regain strength. Here's how you can begin your own transformation. Warm up for 2 minutes by marching in place. Then perform 10 to 15 chair squats, 15 to 20 heel raises, and 10 to 15 side leg raises per leg. Rest briefly and repeat the entire circuit 2 times. Do this 3 to 5 days a week. You'll feel results faster than you imagine. In just 2 weeks, you'll notice greater stability. In 2 months, you'll feel years younger. But these exercises do more than strengthen muscles. They rebuild confidence. Every time you rise from a chair without help, every time you walk without fear, you're proving to yourself that you're still capable, still strong, still alive with purpose. That confidence spreads through every part of your being. Your posture lifts, your mood brightens, and your mind becomes sharper. Exercise doesn't just extend your life, it improves the quality of every moment you live. 6 months from now, picture this. You're walking in the park, your steps steady, your back tall. You notice another senior struggling to stand from a bench. You smile because you remember when that was you. You walk over, offer your hand, and say, "Don't give up." Start with 3 exercises. That's all it takes. That is the power of shared wisdom and strength regained. If this message inspired you, don't just watch. Take action today. Begin with 1 round. Feel your body come alive again. Then come back and share your journey with us in the comments. Tell us where you're watching from and how your strength has improved. Your story might help another senior believe in their own comeback. And before you go, remember this. The Seniors Hub is your community, your source for proven health tips, and your guide to stronger, happier aging. So like this video, subscribe to the Seniors Hub and hit the bell icon so you never miss a life-changing update. Together, we are proving that age is not a weakness. It's wisdom powered by strength.